Amar Patnaik.
Thank you, sir. So the airline industry has suffered substantially due to the COVID-induced pandemic, COVID-induced lockdowns. Now, what is the size of the financial loss suffered by the airline industry as a result, and what would be the expected impact on the financing banks?
Right.
Has an estimate been done, sir?
Mantriji.
Sir, when I was a young Foreign Service officer, somebody had wanted to know how it was possible to travel from Delhi to Australia via Japan. This is that kind of question my friend has asked. I mean, the question, this one, is on resumption of domestic traffic. Airline industry by itself is definitionally a very difficult concept to define. He is a professional accountant. He is a very prominent member of, he was Deputy CAG. Sir, what is the airline industry? Airline industry is air carriers. Airline industry is airports.
Right.
Airline industry also takes within its ambit the tourist industry. Sir, all of them have suffered. And it is not possible. IATA and some international organizations are putting fantastic figures on that. Now, I think the operative part of the supplementary question is what can be done. He talked about banks. Sir, airlines don't take loans from Indian banks. They take loans from outside also. For instance, when you undertake a lease, you've got an international financing operation. And similarly, airlines, because of COVID, have not been able to pay the airport authorities, airports authority. So we try and manage this ecosystem. Short answer to his question is nobody has an overall figure about the loss, but it's reviving now.
Right.
We are already opened up 80%,
Right.
is my expectation, and I'd be happy to sit with the honourable member and look into the details even more.
Right, Rajendraji must have been more smarter when you were younger. Not that you are not smarter now, you are smart now also. I was visualizing that you would have been much smarter at the time. But the replies also should be very smart. You are trying to give elaborate answer. Member also is short and sharp. So be smart and then sharp and small. And small is